it's Nisan. I have major and master's degree on American culture and literature. Like most of us, when I was little, English was my second language at school. So at a very young age, I had to come up with tips and tricks of learning a new language. And 10 years ago, I started to teach English. I realized how much I loved language teaching when I heard interesting facts like, as we learn a new language, our brains create new neural roots. The more I studied languages, the more fascinated I got. Because of this growing fascination, I started teaching my native language, Turkish, as well. That's when I met Listen and Learn. If you want to dive into the world of languages, Listen and Learn is a great opportunity. They help you find native teachers from all over the world. I believe that every person is unique. Therefore, their learning experience should be unique as well. That's why during the design of our courses, all the techniques and materials are carefully chosen according to your goals and needs. Reading, writing, speaking, and listening are 4 essential skills of any language. So within every session, we choose authentic materials that will cover them all. If you want to be part of this journey and share it with language experts like me, join Listen and Learn.